Looks like you're getting a new furnace.
Yes, we are.
We tried to hold off as long as we could, huh?
Yeah.
Motor
but the
finally
monthly
went.
bills kept
Yeah.
adding up, so we're ready.
Now you won't see me as much.
Oh, dang. We'll have to come up with something else.
I'll get set up and I'll just go to town.
All right. Well,
So, try to keep the furnace running as long as we could. Another motor died. What can you do? Alright, this is what we got. Pretty simple. Get out of there. Oh, they got this. Oh no. Oh no. Matt! Yeah. You want to come down here real quick?
There better not be any issues.
I wish I could say that. Is this here? I don't even want to leave.
I just tell you what it's doing if there's a problem.
Yep. Yep.
And
I mean-
is that saying E or is it?
It,